Hey everybody, in this video we will be giving 10 tips on how you can be successful on the platform. This is advice that I'm giving back to my subscribers and other people who are just starting a channel that I wish I could have had when I started my channel last year for 2022. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you are an experienced YouTuber, this is not for you. This is for the inexperienced. I just thought I'd take the time to show you guys my why and why I keep going on the platform. I like to encourage, inspire, and uplift other individuals. And this is somebody who's poured back into me. So I'm showing you guys this to show you, if you find your why in the beginning, you'll stay consistent on the platform. Also, this is some behind the scene footage of me trying to get the perfect thumbnail for this video. I also want to make this video relatable to people starting a YouTube channel. I want you to understand that it's not easy to get that perfect thumbnail, to get that perfect title, to get that perfect SEO. It's not always easy. It's a marathon, not a race. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And know that this is a video to help you, not shame you. There's a lot of people on YouTube who have how to grow your channel and how to get started on YouTube videos, but not all of them are relatable content creators. Not everybody is relatable. Not everybody you can learn from. So I figure if I give you guys the authenticity, if I give you guys the transparency of me creating this video behind the scene, it will better help you guys to understand how I stay motivated on the platform. Look at me, I'm so silly, y'all. It was so hard to get this thumbnail perfect. I'm still learning, you guys, as you can see. But as I'm learning on the journey, look at my dirty laundry in the back. As I'm learning on the journey, as I'm growing with each upload. Every video I put out, I grow with that video, and that is the goal. Ultimately, we want to grow here on the platform, whether it be through the content, whether it be through our personality, whether it be through our equipment. We just want to grow on the platform. So if you can get that concept that you have to grow as a whole and not just in one area, you yourself will be very, very successful on this platform. So I encourage you today, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, go for it. If you've been wanting to for a long time start a YouTube channel, but you just don't know what to record, you're all over the place, you have all this value you want to give and you don't know where to start, figure out what it is you're most passionate about. Whatever it is, whether that's helping people, whether that is doing hair, whether it's cooking, whether it's cleaning, figure out what you're most passionate about and dive into that. Dive in head first and don't let anybody take you off the journey. I promise you it'll all be worth it in the end. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So as y'all can see, this was a never-ending challenge with trying to get this thumbnail perfect. Me and my husband were just having this conversation. I am a perfectionist, and if you are a perfectionist yourself, stop. When you're thinking about YouTube, just think about making your thumbnail simple, easy to read, enough for a 5th grade level to read, understand, and just click. We just want people to click on our videos and watch the value that we have to provide. Don't beat yourself up if it's not perfect. As long as it's readable, as long as people can tell what's going on in the video, people will click on the video, and eventually you will get better with your thumbnails. I had a long journey with thumbnails. My daughter's very good at thumbnails. She actually has a service where she does thumbnails for clients, and I too am trying to create that same service. So I'm growing with each and every thumbnail, and I hope you guys enjoy this one because I worked really, really hard on it, as you can see. And here I'm just showing you all my analytics because I want you guys to see the back end of YouTube, because a lot of people think YouTube is just creating content, but there's a whole back end that helps you to push that content. So the better you understand the back end, the better you will do on the platform. So here's a little glimpse of my analytics. This is some of my old thumbnails so you all can see the growth that I've had here on the platform. As you can see, the change, even though I like all of them. Yeah, I like all my thumbnails because I'm just a perfectionist and I like what I do. And I actually enjoy creating the thumbnails. It's like a therapy for me, like an art, and I actually enjoy doing it. But as you can see, I've grown. I've added a little more without adding too much and still making my thumbnails readable, making my text bolder and brighter and bigger, and just drawing in that attention, because that's what it's about, you all. Drawing in that attention. Your thumbnail is your cover. Would you want to buy a book that's just anything? So make your thumbnail be the cover to your video, to your story, to your value. Let it be the value.